Hey there! Today I have another Golden Tote unboxing. Well, they sent it in a bag this time, so I'll call it an unbagging, but it's a tote bag. So I didn't order one last month, but I decided, every month they release a new collection, and if you're not familiar with Golden Tote, I'll put a card up above to one of my earlier videos. Also some information down in the description box in case you want to check it out. But each month they release a new collection of clothes, and I didn't order one last month, not because the clothes wasn't nice or anything, it's just because, I have to cut back. So, yeah, so I decided to take a break last month, but I went ahead and ordered another tote this month. I just got a mini though. I got a mini, and initially I had gotten just one add-on, but then there was another blouse that came back in stock, so I decided to just go for that. I added that on. So I have two add-ons and a mini this month. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, I better film this quickly because it looks like I'm running out of battery. And I'm still adjusting to this new camera. And I don't know, I'm not sure if I got the sound right. Okay, so here's my tote. It's very cute. I'm actually getting a collection of these now. And it comes with an invoice of everything I purchased. So I got the Mini Tote, which was $59 for 2 items. And the Mini Tote, again, it's one item you choose and a surprise item. I also added 2 add-on items that were each $38. So my total was $135, plus shipping was $5.95. So a total of $140.95 for this tote. Hi, Sammy. Okay, let's see what I got. Okay, so the first item is an add-on item, and it's this top, and it's by Les Amis, and it says it runs large, so I got a small. But check out this small. Even the small seems really big, but you never know. It might look good. It might look just right on me. But so it's really cute. It has kind of a window pane print and like a cute tie sleeve. So I just saw this and I thought it's really cute. And the material, it feels like polyester. I'm pretty sure it is. 100% polyester and made in the USA. Machine washable. Very nice. That's the first item. And the second item is another add-on item. And this is by Skies Are Blue, and I got the size medium. This is the top that I think they had a couple months ago, and it sold out like on the first day or something. So when I saw they posted on Facebook that it came back in stock, I just went ahead and I asked if I could add it onto my order, and they said yes. But it's a pretty green color. It's got flutter sleeves, and I actually really love flutter sleeves, and it's fully lined. So cute top. I think I could definitely wear this even for work. And next is another top. So this is my chosen item, and it's like a wrap top. And this is by Les Amis, and it's a size medium. It's a really soft material. It's a knit, and it has kind of a ruffled sleeves and tie front. So I thought this would be nice also for work, maybe with black pants. Or I guess a black skirt. Okay, and here is my surprise item, which is always kind of, it's the more fun part. And this is, oh, it's another top. So I got all tops, 4 tops. Oh, this is really cute. So this is cute casual top. So very interesting. It's by Potter's Pot. And you'll see it's like a mixed media. They have like a striped knit material in the front and on the top with the sleeves. And then there's this pretty floral. And this is size medium, made in the USA. It says it's 65% rayon, 32% polyester, 3% spandex. And I think this part, it says it's rayon, 100% rayon. It says dry clean only. I don't think I will though. But yeah, very cute. I like this. This is a nice casual top. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Golden Tote this month. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first top, and it's not too big. It looks just right, I think. And one of the reasons I got this top is because in the picture they had it paired with some teal colored jeans. And I actually have these teal colored jeans that I got from Stitch Fix a while back. So I thought this would look nice. Be a cute outfit. And yeah, so I think it's cute. It's kind of very long in the back. So I don't know if you could also probably wear these with like jeggings or leggings. But yeah, very cute. And you'll see it has this cute little tie sleeve and kind of a window pane print with floral. It is a little bit on the sheer side, but actually not too bad. I think you can get away with a nude colored bra. But cute. I like it. Happy. Okay, just realized I forgot to put the microphone on earlier. Hopefully you could hear that first try on. Okay, so here is the green top. And I just paired it with some, these are my white jeans from Mix and Match. And they're, what brand is that? Forget. Anyway, yeah, so I think it looks cute with white jeans. This is a cute top. It's a little bit loose, but it's okay. I like it. It's flowy. It's got fluttery sleeves. And yeah, I think it's cute. I think it's a cute summer top. So yeah, nice. Okay, so here is the surprise top. And yeah, I think it's really cute. You see how it's like floral in the back and striped in the front, except it's got a little bit of a border. It's really cool. I don't think I have anything like this. I mean, I've got other mixed media, and it's pretty. It's a very pretty color, and I like the floral. So I think this would go with white jeans also, but I paired it with some light wash, very highly distressed jeans that I own. Haven't worn yet, that I got from the Gap outlet. But yeah, I think that looks cute. Pretty. Okay. So far, I've been really happy with Golden Tote, to be honest. Okay, so here is the black floral wrap top. And I just have it paired with some pants. These are actually dress pants for work. And yeah, so I think it's pretty nice. It's soft, and it's a little tricky to get on because it's a wrap top, so you gotta wrap it around. I'm not even sure if I put it on right, but I think it's cute. I don't have anything like it. So see, it looks like cute. Okay, so that was everything I got in this month's Golden Tote box. And yeah, I was really happy with what I got. I got 4 really cute tops. So 3 of them, of course, I chose. I think my favorites were, I really like this top, and I like the surprise top. I think this is really cute. The only thing I'm not too sure about is it said it was dry clean only, but it actually doesn't look like it. I think it's just because this back is rayon, but I'm pretty sure I could just hand wash it or wash it in cold and hang it. But yeah, I really like these 2. This green top was also very pretty, and I thought this was nice, this wrap top. It was just a little, I don't like things that are very complicated to put on. So it's my fault for picking this, but it is very soft and it is pretty. And I definitely something I could wear to work. So I'll probably wear this to work one day. I might try it with a pencil skirt. I think it might actually look really cute with a pencil skirt. But anyway, yeah. So that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos and also some shopping hauls. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye now.